Welcome everyone. We have just announced our project showcase for the April 2026 Building an AI Application. Awesome submissions we had across our community platforms for this challenge. And if we have put everything on this website, and the quality of applications that have come will amaze you. We have picked up 22 applications that were different, that covered a wide variety of sectors that are there. If you can see the whole thing that you projects that are there, it encompasses a lot of application themes that are there, and I will just walk you through the different themes, and then we will go into details about this whole page just to give you guys a background about this awesome particular thing. If you can see the themes, we have a lot of applications on business, productivity, and entrepreneurship. I'll give you some examples as well. Career HR recruitment, then we have consumer travel assistant, health and well-being, and we have some industry domain specific AI as well. If I want to go to the first one, that is business productivity, we have this awesome brand forge Kavya. He also gave a demo for any company who wants to look at their marketing ecosystem, how they can do the branding and how they can create different types of brand strategies and influencers type of things. Very good project. We have Procrastinaut. This is by Shazia, a very good productivity app for a daily planner. We have something called as Gulf Grand. This is very good project by Ashish, who went through how companies can use content both for English as well as Arabic. Then student ledger AI. Then we have something called as a Pitch Perfect. She also gave a demo. This is about how companies can look at their decks and make sure it is ready for investments and all. Then we have career and HR. We had a couple of very good projects for career, HR, and recruitment. Higher Sense by Sumaya. Recruition AI. I really love the demo of how Azam has done this awesome thing. Then we have Dogs by Azam, which goes into how a person can use learn SQL or Power BI and use this particular apps for generating Q&As as well as cheat sheets that are there. Very awesome platforms. All of you can come and check it out till these links are live. For consumer travel assistant, we have Volair by Tanishka, that helps purchase the cheapest ticket to their desired destination, or help find flights within the budget. Very good app that is there. Every app that is there, 22 apps, are awesome. They are very good interactive, use very specific use cases like Spotlight AI for education, Convo Buddy, Octopi, Think Tutor AI, and Libby. So these are all for education and learning. Very good projects that everyone has built. You can go and look into the details about these as well. We have Spotlight is by Irfana, who has developed some quiz AI system. Then we have Fatima has talked about this, and then we have Libby. He had given a demo as well, very detailed. He is a cohort 5 member as well. He has helped for the library and put all the information, used retrieval augmented generation and some API calls to make the journey amazing. So this is also a very good project that all of you can look at, the education and learning. For well-being, we have MedGuard by Vurud, which is an AI powered emergency hospital decision agent, which is doing an awesome job. Then we have NourishNet, is an AI powered platform that helps UE restaurant redistribute surplus food, which is a very good thing. And NutriLens by Archit, which is a very good app to help people maintain their tracking and planning of their well-being and weight loss journey and health journey. This is an awesome project as well. Then we have industry specific. We have Carbon IQ by Tehan. We have legal contract review platform that is there by Brijesh, which is very good project. Then we have Femen by Alifia, that is a self-verifying rack system that checks for financial thing. Maitre bot by Wali, that is a very good chat assistant for cyber security and cyber knowledge. And we have Prodigy AI by Nipun, which brings OT and AI together. Very good use case that also uses language model to give answers for a specific use case. So all these projects were awesome. The link will be shared. Go and look into it. Also, we have mentioned a little bit about technicalities as well, which particular app people have used to deploy. Most of the people have used Vercel this time, and these are not the whole universe. As I told, we have selected some of the projects that are unique in that particular theme that we have, and looking forward for your support. This building an AI application is a very good way to bring out talent within the community. These people spend their time, put the things into perspective, and now we have a spotlight for them to show their awesome application that is there. Thank you very much for everyone to view this video. Do like and subscribe the channel if you have not done so. Put your comments which was the most favorite app that you liked.